did say I'm going to be mindful of our time, so I won't carry on for a long time, but I will invite Jean-Claude to give us some welcoming remarks. Welcome to this UK-DRC Business Day, and we look forward to learning, sharing, and growing together for the mutual benefit of DRC and the UK. Thank you. I think some of us have got a head teacher voice, very loud voice.
I'm really good with the microphone. I don't know why it's working. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. And welcome to the UK-DRC Business Day, part of the UK-DRC Partnership. I'd like to thank everyone for making the day of today, which is a great day, not only for us as a host of this activity, but also as a partnership between the UK and the DRC. And I'm very honored today to receive Lord Poppert, who is a great friend to the DRC. I come to know Lord Poppert, I believe, in the last 4 years. And first time I saw him or had a meeting online with him was just after COVID in 2021. And the passion that he did carry, and as well the momentum he brought to the UK about the DRC business was really something very remarkable. And I believe before him, I haven't seen it. And Lord Poppert has been as well the chair of the all-party parliamentary group for the Democratic Republic of Congo. So really pay my respect to you, and I would like if we can clap our hands to you. So I would like as well to thank everyone for making the day of today. I know that there are some other people coming all the way from the DRC, and amongst them we have advisor and as well coordinator to the Office of the President of the Democratic Republic of Congo, Mr. William Kapuku, if we can receive him today. So there have been a bit of challenge about some of the remainder of the delegation, which there will still be coming in the UK, and conversation that I had probably with the Poppert and promises great support so that those kind of things never happen again. So we're going to have a great day today, and after that we will have an award ceremony as part of the British Award for African Development, which is an initiative that we have created almost 10 years ago. And amongst the people that we have journeyed on the British Award for African Development, I have the chairperson of the British Award for African Development, who is Justina Mutale, if she can stand where she is. And we have as well Jacqueline, who is our moderator for today, or the chair of the meeting today, as part of the British Award for African Development. So we launched it was in 2014. It's been already 11 years that we've been joining together. So thank you very much. And I don't want to continue talking because I've been just talking. And, some of you know that I'm a preacher, so I'm a good talker. Thank you very much.